damage.
Everybody wanna be hard, wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun, call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft, can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up, when they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, man. Hey, man, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, man. We just hit 9,500, Cari crew. So you know what I'm saying? Clap it up for that, man. We just hit 9,500 subscribers on the tube today, man. You know what I'm saying? We passed the halfway mark to 10K, man. Y'all boy, get your boy to 10K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? Follow your boy on Instagram at Cari.beats. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram. Get me to 4K on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man. As y'all can see by the title, y'all already know what y'all are in store for. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't read the title, you know what I'm saying? Today I'm going to be talking about, is a SCATPACK worth it, or is a SCATPACK, you know what I'm saying? Which one better? Should you get a scat or a cat? I know ideally people say a cat, but I'm just saying, is a SCATPACK worth the money? You know what I'm saying? Like, is it really worth the bread if you can't afford a HELLCAT? You know what I'm saying? You know, some people be like, man, should I just wait and ball out and just get what I want? Or, you know what I'm saying? Could I get a step below and really rock with, you know what I'm saying, that one? You feel me? And then it just depends on how you feel. But that's what I'm gonna kind of talk about today, just a little bit. I ain't gonna get too in depth into it. I'm just, you know what I'm saying, coming up with video ideas, and then it is a decent topic to talk about. So, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna, so we're gonna do that. But yeah, man, how I feel really, I mean, I ain't gonna lie. Like I say in video before, and I be cutting up and stuff like that, man. If you want a scat and you can afford a scat, get a scat, bro. That's why I always say, bro. If you can afford a scat, get the scat, bro. I'm trying to tell you. Cause they really, you know what I'm saying? People be saying, oh, they big, you know what I'm saying? This and that and the third. But bro, from factory, bro, these cars are fast. Mustangs ain't that fast from factory, bro. Yeah, they got the 10 speed, you know what I'm saying? That's the only thing. That's the only thing for them and Camaros, bro. That's the only thing. The 8-speed was fast too, though, but for a Camaro, I think it was, yeah. But the Mustang, bro, the 6-speed, bro, that bitch was not talking about nothing. The 6R80 wasn't talking about nothing. Not stock, it wasn't. I drove one. That bitch wasn't talking about nothing. That was before I got a scat. That bitch wasn't talking about nothing. So, if it wasn't talking about nothing before I got a scat, what make you think it definitely talking about something after I got one? Of course, when you make it fast, yeah, I done seen them when they get fast, you know what I'm saying? But they ain't really, you know what I'm saying, they ain't hitting on too much. My bad. I done got too comfortable. But yeah, Cari crew, like, man, I mean, it all depends on you. I want a HELLCAT because, you know what I'm saying, that's like my ultimate car. Like, that's really my dream car. I know a lot of people be like, that's it. Like, I'm real simple, bro. I don't need all that extra, you know what I'm saying, that extra stuff, you feel me? Like all them cars be like, you know what I'm saying, $1 million car. Like, I don't need all that, bro. I don't need a Lambo. I can't fit in half of the cars that people would be their ideal dream car anyway, bro. So I can't even fit in one of them. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I don't even really trip about that. But a HELLCAT really my ideal. You know what I'm saying? Maybe a Demon, you know what I'm saying? Anything but in that relatable era. You know what I'm saying? Like a Red Eye, Demon, Superstock, HELLCAT, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. You know what I'm saying? That's just my dream. That's what I really want. That's my goal right now. You know what I'm saying? But anything other than that, though, but the SCATPACK really is, like, to me, bro, it's worth it. I'm sorry if I keep rambling. I just keep looking at cars and stuff and thinking at the same time. But yeah, like a SCATPACK, ain't gonna lie, man. If you can get one, get it. No cap. Like, if you can get a scat, bro, get one, bro. I'm telling you, like, it really, like, you know what I'm saying? They fun. They sound amazing. As y'all can tell from mine, like, when you make it sound amazing. But even stock, though, bro, stock, it sound pretty good. You know what I'm saying? It's a little quiet, but on the throttle, it sound good. And then it still pop, like, it's still burble, you know what I'm saying? If you let it, like, you know, so you love the gas a little bit, it still do all that stock exhaust. Full mufflers, resonated everything, you know what I'm saying? So like, it still sound good, you know what I'm saying? They got plenty of room, you feel me? They look good exterior wise. I'm just going off the Charger itself, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You got hella space, you know what I'm saying? As y'all know, it's 4 seats. But yeah. But like I said, man, I personally want a Hellcat. Like, it's different you personally want, but if you just trying to, like, you one of the people that want to get in the car scene or get, like, you know what I'm saying, just get in the Dodge family, but you may be like, oh, I don't want to go Hemi because, you know, I probably had something that was close to that, or I make enough money to at least get a Scat or a Cat. I just don't know which one to be the best bang for the buck for me being the person, like, you know what I'm saying, just hopping in. You feel me? Of course, everybody say the Cat because, like, it's the Cat. You feel me? But some people don't need the Cat, bro. A lot of folks really don't want that much power how they think they do, like, especially fresh out the lot. It's different when you make your car fast and you feel it, you know what I'm saying? But when you like real life, you know what I'm saying? Coming from a regular daily driving Toyota or something, and you just, you know what I'm saying, came up on some bread, you know what I'm saying? Crawl before you walk, man. At least for a little bit. You ain't got to keep the car forever, especially if you're making money like that. Keep it for a few months, trade it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the SCATPACK, me personally, bro, I love it, I ain't gonna lie. It sounds amazing. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff, man. Sound good. And I'm in eco mode, you know what I'm saying? So it's crazy how as soon as I do that, you hear that. But yeah, I get the point, man. Like, it sound good. You know what I'm saying? It look good. They look the same, just different motors. But for the bang, like, for the best bang for your buck, though, yeah, I'd say, you know what I'm saying, go Scat. Because it still got that torque, bro. It still feel crazy. You still can slide for people that like to slide. You still can do everything about a Cat can do besides, you know what I'm saying, the whine and spinning at 60, you know what I'm saying, unless your car pushing power. But look at the Camaro. Look at it. Just look at him. Just look at him, man. Always y'all RS boys, man. What's up with y'all, man? What's up with y'all RS boys, man? I know the video ain't that entertaining, bro. I'm just, like I told y'all, man, just respect the grind, respect the hustle. You know what I'm saying? I'm just staying consistent, my boy. You know what I'm saying? I'm staying consistent, car crew. Y'all boy, just respect that for me. Give me a like for the, you know what I'm saying, for the hustle, man. I'm gonna get more videos for y'all, boy, but right now, I want y'all to do one of them videos today. Or right now at this moment, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I got other stuff to do. But yeah, so make sure y'all still show me love, man. I know the video ain't that entertaining. I might give y'all a little pull or something when I turn around right here. My bad, I'm scratching my arm. Give y'all a little pull or something when I turn around right here, but yeah. But really, I just want to talk about that, make that a title though, because it is a good little topic, man. Is a SCATPACK worth it, or, you know what I'm saying, is a SCATPACK, like, SCATPACK versus Hellcat, like, you know what I'm saying, which one would you pick, you know what I'm saying, or realistically, like, just picking. But me personally, I want a Cat, and I'm gonna get a Cat car. Look at him. I'm gonna get a Cat, man, but, you know what I'm saying, like I said, y'all comment down below too, Hellcat Cari, man, you know what I'm saying, in the chat, man. Hellcat Cari in the chat. Well, yeah, I'm gonna put them up in manual. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all boys a little pull and do the same U-turn they just did. Oh my goodness. Don't turn yet, don't turn yet, don't turn yet. You gonna hit me. Damn, nigga. This nigga dead ass finna hit me, bro. That nigga dead ass. Bro, I had to recalculate my thoughts to then. This nigga see me turning, bro. I'm going slow so he can see me. Cause he's supposed to yield and wait. That nigga still turning. And damn about to touch my car, bro. And I thought I ain't having no room because it cost so damn long. I'm like, dang, bro, he messing me up. Damn. Gotta get y'all boy right quick. Get y'all boy right quick. Just a quick little something, but man, like, but yeah, better what I was saying. Buddy really told me, I ain't gonna lie, he just below me, look, I don't even want to do the video, let me chill out. But nah, for real, like, if you want a Scat, get you a Scat, man. If you want you a Cat, get you a Cat. But the SCATPACK is not bad, it's not a waste of money, you know what I'm saying? it's really a good bang for your buck when you're trying to be up there in that class or like close to the SRT class. You feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? Powered by SRT. It's technically not an SRT, what everybody say, but it's still powered by SRT. It got the modes like SRT, so I mean, I don't know. It just ain't got a supercharger, I guess. But yeah, man. I'm not getting windies. I'm just turning in right here. I'm going behind it. I might get windies, I ain't gonna lie. So I ain't gonna roll too far yet. But yeah, man. I just wanted to make a quick little video, man. I know the video kind of like just random and it ain't. A lot of y'all probably not gonna watch it. But for the people that did watch it, I appreciate y'all watching the video, man. Y'all a real one. You know what I'm saying? I just out here grinding, man. Keep staying consistent. Trying to post every day, if not every other day. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Get this 10K. And then when we get this 10K, we're gonna get this 20. You know what I'm saying? Or 15, 20, and so on and so forth. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. You know what I'm saying? How y'all feel about SCATPACK and HELLCAT, or like even RT. You know what I'm saying? But I'm really just talking about SCATPACK and HELLCAT. But for people out there that got an RT, how y'all feel about like, oh, you should have picked this or picked that? You know what I'm saying? Or what's the best bang for your buck type thing, or for your power, best money worth for how much power you getting? You know what I'm saying? Put it that way. But yeah, man, y'all just let me know down in the comment below, man. And like I said on the end of my videos, you got a goal you're trying to achieve and kind of accolade and kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit. And you can touch it. My bad. And like I said, for all my religious folk, man, keep God first. Keep him in the mix, man. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, man. Stay sane, stay humble. You know what I'm saying? Try your best to better yourself every day. You know what I'm saying? And break some of those bad habits, bro. Or at least start bringing it down to a minimum to where it's almost nothing, and then it'll be nothing. You know what I'm saying? It get easy for you. But yeah, man. And like I said earlier, you know what I'm saying, for all y'all that watching this video, cause I know it ain't that much entertaining. It's not like a, you know, a real turn POV, but appreciate y'all for watching, man. Like I said, just respect the grind, respect the hustle, man. That's all I'm trying to do. Get this 10K, man. I'm working, y'all. Y'all know the good content coming. It always just is out of nowhere. You know what I'm saying? Just stay tuned. You never know what'll happen in between the video. It don't matter how it start, how it finish. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Well, like I said, at the end of my videos as well, Cari crew, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.